this is Nate at Easy HOA. Just wanted to do a quick video on the new website tools. We did a total revamp of the website tools. I know they were pretty old and antiquated, and trying to make it a little bit better. We're going to have more updates coming soon, but this is what we got so far. So what we did is we totally redid the pages so that you can create more pages and you can edit the pages, and I'll show you some of the examples here. So for example, if I click edit, you're going to be able to change the title. You're going to be able to show it in the menu or not in the menu. So that's going to be, for example, up here at the top. This is a test site, so it's going to look really weird. But this is just to show you some of the new features. So you can change the name of the menu. SEO, usually we don't worry about that for HOAs because you're not really marketing a service or anything. But if you wanted to play with that, there is some meta keywords and stuff. Okay, so down here you've got the page content. So for each page that you go to, it's going to have that first headers and the tab names and the order of the tabs and etc. And then down here you're going to have page content. So what I did here is I created a widget for every type of widget that we have. So down here at the bottom, this is where you would create a widget, and the widget is where the content of the page will be in. So for example, I've got a 1-column widget here, a 2-column widget, 3-column checklist. Now I'm going to go over to the website and show you what that looks like. So I'm on the home page. I'm not on the home page. Now I'm on the home page. This is a 1-column widget. You can change the title. It's going to have 1 section. Here's a 2-column widget, and you'll see it has 2 sections, then a 3-column widget, and then you got the checklist. I kept the title off on the checklist so you could see what it looks like if you don't have a title. And you'll notice that each widget section is separated by like a little gray or white kind of a background. Down here, this is an image carousel widget. I only put 1 image in here, but you could put more and it could rotate through, and then you can have some verbiage on the right. This is an image carousel with overlay text. Oh, I did put more pictures in there. This one, you can put text over the top, so it would work good with an image that's like kind of a darker background or a lighter background, and then you can have the text be lighter or darker, and you can change the font and the color and the size of that. This is a contact form widget. HOA documents. This is controlled on your documents page. Then we've got the news. It works the same way, except it's just gonna be its own little widget. Same thing though, you can put PDFs and attachments and things on there. Board, here's a board widget. It's going to show you the board automatically, and it's going to pull that from the board page of the dashboard. So for example, if I have this enabled, it's going to show that over there on the board page. You can reorder that as well, and it will change on the website. Then the last thing we've got here is website forms. This is a brand new widget that we just made. This is to be able to create a form for someone to fill out that's not an owner. They can go to the website form and click answer, and then a form can pop up and they can answer those questions. So just a quick example. Oh, sorry. The other thing we have is we have a couple other settings. So for example, let me go to website. So you've got the pages. Events and news is where you create the content for those event and news page widgets. Then we've got forms. That's where you create the forms that I just mentioned a minute ago. Domain name. If you need help with this, let me know. We've got a support article on our support site. And then lastly, we've got settings. So some things that you might want to hide or not hide, depending on how your HOA is running things, is your owner login, board login, contact phone, and contact email. So those all populate right up here in the top right corner. Got the phone number, email, owner login page, board login page. That's going to show on every single tab of the website. That always just stays there. So if you don't want to show those, you just click that, And that's it. So let us know if you have any questions. We're going to continue to enhance this and work on it. Thanks.